Welcome back everybody, this is Awais back with another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create ERD diagram using Django extensions. First, let's take a look at what you are expecting to build in this video. So here you go. Here I have ERD diagram which was built automatically using Django extensions. So let's get started with that. So first of all, you're going to install a few packages. So I have a brew installed and it'll tell me the version, so that's 2.1.1. The reason why I'm showing you that is because homebrew will be used to install some of the packages. Next we're going to install brew install graph viz, so graphviz. You can check out the description for getting all this command exactly. Graph is installed. Next we want to make sure that we have installed Django extension. First let me activate the environment. Create actually aliases for that, so I'm using this alias.bash file venv. This is like a custom command. I'm going to show you the file actually so you don't get confused. So here's the aliases.bash file where I use this command venv. So the main command is source venv bin activate. After that you're going to install pip install Django extensions. I've already installed that, so nothing to worry about. Once you install Django extension, you're going to go to your settings file for your project, and here you're going to have to inject that into your installed apps. So I have that here, Django extensions. That's done. A couple of other configuration that we need to define here. If you want to ignore it, it's up to you. You can ignore it, but we have a graph model. I said all applications, so basically go and look for all the applications. Right now we only have one app, which is authentication. We have clock-in and utility, but we don't have any model created in those apps yet. So another flag that we have a group model set to true. It's basically going to group the models depending on the app. Okay, that's done. Next thing, we are going to install PyParsing and PyDot. So let's do that first. Pip install PyParsing and PyDot. So both are installed. There should be ERD.dot file. So this is the file that I'm talking about. You're gonna have to create that. So basically this is like information of your models, which helps PyDot to generate ERD. So I'm just gonna close that. Let's get rid of these two files, guys, and then just gonna select these. Let's get rid of them, empty the trash. We are going to use a script. So I've written that script. It's because it's a long script. So for creating a dot file, so that's the extension for that. So we write python manage graph underscore models. So this is basically we're using graph models space dash a greater than sign and then the name of the file. So let's try ERD.dot file. Now you can see we got ERD.dot file there. I'm going to use this and use one of the script from, let me show you, let me open up bash file again. So here we're going to use this script python manage graph models -- PyDot. This is basically telling it that, hey, go use the PyDot library that I've installed. -a refers to all application, -g refers to graph model, and -o refers to the dot file, and then the name of the file that you want to create. Once you write that, you're gonna see a PNG file. There you go. Open this file. So there you go. You have an ERD generated automatically from your Django project. So that's good. So our ERD generation tool are working. I'm gonna be creating a lot more Django and Django REST framework tutorials. Subscribe and like the video if you did, and if it helped you, make sure to check out my other courses. You might find them interesting. I have a course for JavaScript and Angular, and my new Python course is coming up as well.